Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mawaka about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the dika out share video. Remember when to subscribe. Now I share. No, it's just a bear Ghana rich cake. Yes, that's it. You better use 500-gram butter and margarine, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup evaporated milk, 3 tablespoons condensed milk, 8 eggs, 1.5 tablespoons baking powder. What the margarine and butter and sugar and be good cake mixture mu. We are now creamy. So we need be able to make you soup bowl any wooden ladle creamy. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Say na say we are no abo egg no. Na we hwe de egum egg na yisu 8. What the vanilla kakra de aka ho. We beat na together. Emma butter mixture ni creamy no. Now what the 5.5 cup all-purpose flour. Na baking powder no so what the aka ho. One mixing now together. We are no wakoshe gu. Wo mixture na wo creamy no. But the be gum little at a time. Aha no I am ready a obetimi the flour na start here de egum. Emra flour na mix ewie no. Now the evaporated milk no and the condensed milk na eden aka ho. No wakoso eden ebiti. And I saw beating at a high speed. I am ready no do machine no. No kwatete gu prepare cake pie mu. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. We're baking the 180 degrees for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, no. Now we efi oven ni mu. One manado, now I serve. Me na me taste it. It tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our Ghana cake. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.